Sanbona, welcome back to Mzansi Zulumama, your home for powerful stories and traditions from the heart of the Zulu nation. Today we are unlocking one of the best kept secrets of Zulu royalty, Isigodlo. Ever heard of it? It's more than a royal residence. It's a place of power, training, and sacred tradition. Let's dive in. Isigodlo was the inner sanctuary of the Zulu king's homestead, a hidden world reserved for royal maidens. These women, often handpicked for their beauty, intelligence, and royal ties, were called amakhosazane. They were trained in tradition, etiquettes, songs, and deeper spiritual responsibilities of serving the king and preserving Zulu culture. Amakhosazane played a key role in royal events. They sang praises, performed sacred dances, and upheld the rhythm of life in the royal crawl. At the annual Umkhosi Womhlanga, the reed dance, these women were among those who displayed dignity, grace, and unity. But their role went beyond performance. They were the living symbols of purity, discipline, and the future of the nation. Now let's look at the power, prestige, and secrecy. Inside Isigodlo, knowledge was passed down, sometimes even political power. Senior royal women, the great wives, influenced decisions, and the king's most trusted companions often came from this sacred cycle. Isigodlo wasn't just a place, it was a system, a heartbeat of royal life that held layers of respect, secrecy, and sisterhood. Modern echoes and relevance. Today, modern Zulu royalty still echoes the power of Isigodlo. You'll see royal maidens dressed in traditional attire, singing, leading, and reminding us that Zulu culture is very much alive. Though Isigodlo has evolved with time, its values, dignity, womanhood, wisdom still shape generations. Isn't it amazing how one sacred space held so much tradition? Have you ever heard of Isigodlo before today? What surprised or inspired you most about this royal Zulu tradition? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I would love to hear from you. And if you want more stories like this, remember to like, share, and subscribe to Zulumama. Until next time, nisale kahle. Ngiyabonga.